Today's expression is, I'll take you up on that. Have you heard this one before? Let's find out what it really means. Listen closely to the following dialogues.
Hey, I ended up with an extra ticket for the concert this Friday. Do you want to come?
No way. I've been dying to see them live. I'll take you up on that.
So, after hearing those conversations, do you have a guess what it means? I'll take you up on that means I accept your offer. You say it when someone offers something and you decide to accept. It's casual and friendly, great for invitations or offers. It's like saying, sure, sounds good to me. Now let's see if you can build today's expression yourself. Can you fix this scrambled sentence? Correct sentence. I'll take you up on that. Nice. Try saying it out loud. Ready for a quick quiz? Which situation is the correct use of I will take you up on that? Answer is A. Because someone made an offer and the other person accepted it.
Hey, I ended up with an extra ticket for the concert this Friday. Do you want to come?
No way. I've been dying to see them live. I'll take you up on that.
Today's expression was, I'll take you up on that. It's a great way to accept offers or invitations naturally. Try using it next time someone offers you something. This is 3-Minute Daily English. See you next time.